Today, Connor is going to go through setting up your dial indicator and all the settings. Here's how to get started quickly and correctly. First, insert the supplied battery. Remove the small flexible cap in the top of the indicator and use the cable supplied to connect the dial to the interface hub. This enables recording of the measurement via VDAS. Press and hold the on-off button to turn the indicator on and off. For the apparatus and software to work correctly, the down arrow should not be visible. The units should be measuring in millimeters and to 6 digits. If the down arrow is visible, press and hold the mode button F1 until mode is displayed. Briefly press the F3 button twice until DIR is displayed. Press the F2 button to display the current setting. Use the up F3 and down F1 buttons to toggle the display. Press F2 briefly to save the setting. Finally, press and hold the mode button again to return to the standard screen. If units are in inches, press and hold the mode button F1 until mode is displayed. Briefly press the F3 button once so that unit is displayed. Press the F2 button to display the current unit setting. Use the up F3 and down F1 buttons to toggle between millimeters and inches. Press F2 briefly to save the setting. Finally, press and hold the mode button to return to the standard screen. To be compatible with VDAS, the DTI must be set to measure to 6 digits as follows. Press and hold F1 to open the mode menu. Press the F3 button until other is displayed. Press F2 to select. Press F3 until output is displayed and press F2 to select. Press F3 until out D1 is displayed and press F2 to select. To exit, press and hold F1 to go backwards through the menu. For further instructions on using the dial indicator, please refer to the manufacturer's instructions. We hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you did, please do leave us a like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest video releases.